Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. I need to set up about equation number 1, number 2 and number 3. So I will put equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So we have like this. So this one minus this one, so we have s squared. This one minus this one, so we have negative y squared. This one minus this one, they cancel. 9 minus number 6, we have number 3. This one minus this one. Next, this one that is about identities, so we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. This one we can do about factorization by z. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. So we have s minus y. Later that, we have s minus y, s minus y. We can do about factorization. So we have like this. Now let's go to number 2 minus number 3. So this one cancel. This one we have y squared. This one we have negative z squared. 6 minus number 3. We have number 3, sz minus sy. Now, we do the same technique. This one, we have y minus z, y plus z. This one, we can do about factorization by s. Now, I will put this one go to the left. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. So we can do about factorization by y minus z. So we have like this. And we have the second equation. Now let's go to the last one. So I will put about number 1 minus number 3. So in this one, we have this one minus this one, so we have s squared. Y squared minus y squared, they cancel. This one minus this one, so we have negative z squared. Number 9 minus number 3, we have number 6. This one minus this one. So this one that is about identities. So that should be about s minus z, s plus z. This one we can do about factorization. So that should be about y multiplied by z minus s. Now I will put this one go to the left. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. Now we can do about factorization. So we have like this. So we just set up about 3 equations. So we have this one go in here. So now we have like this. Now I need to create about equation number 4, number 5, and number 6. So I will put number 5 divided by number 4. So in this situation, so we have this one divided by this one equals to number 3 divided by number 3. So this one cancel this one. We have y minus z over s minus y equals to number 1. So we put this one go in here. So we put everything go to the left. So that should be about negative s plus 2y minus z equals to number 0. Now let's go to number 6 divided by number 5. So in this one, we do the same. So I will skip a little bit faster. So number 6 divided by number 3, we have number 2. So this one, we have this one divided by this one. So we put this one go to the right. So we have 2y minus 2z. So I will put this one go to the left. We have s minus 2y my positive z equals to number 0. Now we go to the last one. That is about number 6 divided by number 4. So in this one, we have s minus z divided by s minus y. And that is about number 6 divided by number 3. So we have 2s minus 2y. So this one I will put on the left. We have negative s plus 2y minus z equals to number 0. So if we look carefully, they are the same. So I will select one. So in this one, I will put negative z go to the right. So we have negative s plus 2y. So we go back to this one. So I will put this one to change for z. Similar for this one. Now we have s minus s. This one we have 3y. Similar for this one and this one. Now this one we change the sign, so that should be about positive s minus 2y. So we can see that y minus 2y, we have negative y in here. And we can see that they have the same. So this one we have 2s. Now in this one we can put number 2 go outside, and we can see that they have the same. So in this case, we can use to find the relationship between x and y. So that should be about 3xy minus 3y squared. Later that we divide both sides by number 3. Now I select about this equation. So if I put this one go in here, and we can see that this one similar for this one, so we can transform into number 1. So that is about number 4. After we got everything, now we can put this one to go in here, so we can find x and y only. So this one, we just have only 2 equations. So we need to expand this one. So this one, we have 2x squared minus 8xy plus 4y squared. Sorry, this is number 8. Now we put this one go to the right. So we can transform xy into this one. So we put this one go in here. Now we need to expand this one. So we can see that we can cancel about y squared. We put negative a go to here. So we have 3x squared. We have number 12. We divide both sides by number 3. And we have number 4. So we put the square root for the both sides. We have 2 equations. After you got about number 2, we can go back in here. So for x equals to number 2, we put number 2 go in here, so we can find the value of y. So y equals to number 1. After you got y and s, we can find the value of z. Z, that is about this one. So we put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. We have number 0, and the last one we do the same. Now we have 2 solutions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.